Meantime, health officials in Missouri are urging residents to get vaccinated for measles. According to the Missouri Department of Health and Human Services, the measles vaccination rate in Missouri is about 90%. That is well below the 95% vaccination rate needed for herd immunity. Health officials say that means a measles outbreak could spread fast in the Show Me State. They also warn measles is not just a rash. The illness can cause pneumonia, brain swelling, hospital stays, and even death. Officials say 2 doses of the MMR vaccine is 97% effective at blocking the measles for a lifetime. According to the CDC, there have been 5 measles cases in Missouri so far this year.